Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Confirm Windows 10 or 11 and make sure you have 500 MB free for the installer. Once done, enable developer mode only if the app requires it, because that reduces permission friction. Next, download the Live Wallpaper installer to your Downloads folder. Do not run unknown files. You want a smooth path, so close large programs first and keep your antivirus handy. This prevents interruptions during installation. You now install and configure the app. Run the installer as administrator and accept permissions. This avoids broken features later. Once installed, open the app and pick your wallpaper source, a video, an animated GIF, or a web/live feed. Videos offer smooth motion, feeds provide dynamic content. Then set a performance profile, battery saver, balanced, or high performance, because this controls CPU/GPU usage. Also, make sure the app is allowed through your firewall if it fetches online content. You finish by applying the wallpaper and fine-tuning scale, loop, and audio levels so visuals match your display. Test across single and multi-monitor setups. Make the app start with Windows if you want wallpapers active on boot. Once set, lock and wake your PC to verify resume behavior. If you see CPU or GPU spikes, switch to a lower resolution, a static frame on an activity, or pause playback on an active Windows. This is the key troubleshooting tip to keep
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.